Okay, YouTube, I thought I would do a pop-up and tear down of this tent. I only did the pop-up at first, so we've all seen this before, but I'll do it again. So I'm going to put the handle in first here and unlatch it. This is real time, as you can see, no editing. So we'll start cranking her up. Again, scissor system. It's got a worm drive screw that drives the scissor system, so no maintenance, lasts forever. Steel, super strong screw. The scissors are aluminum, so they're lightweight. This weighs, I think, about 130 pounds or 135 pounds or something like that. You can check the specs. So, there she's up. We'll pop the doors out here. And we'll go through the whole process to take it down. Okay. So doors are all out. We're going to push the doors in. Again, it's got the elastic here that pulls the tent inward as it collapses. We'll put the other door in. And we will start bringing it down, just in reverse. Always cock a little as it comes down. Do this scissor effect. It's the way it's supposed to work. And it will even itself out. Here we go. Almost like magic. So we just keep cranking it down, cranking it down, cranking it down. And about this far, you want to tuck all your fabric in. There's a nice slot here. You can see that I'm tucking all this fabric into so that it stays out of the way. Tuck your doors in. Do the same on the front as you see in the rear there. There's a slot there as well where the scissor is, and the fabric just tucks down in there, nice and easy. Push your door in, make sure all the fabric's in, your clips are in. And keep cranking her down. Make sure everything's tucked in. Clips here for the screens. And then cinch her down. And now we just walk around, make sure it's clamped down. Real good. Put the clamps in the front. Lock it down. Put the clamp in the rear. Lock it down, pull the crank, put your little plug in here so that it seals it up from all the water. Now you're good to go. That's it for now.